If you're stuck trying to remove a payment method from your iPhone, here's how to do it step by step. First of all, open the Settings app on your phone and tap on your name at the very top. After that, go into Payment and Shipping. Now, here you will see all your saved cards and payment methods. If you notice that the Remove option is grayed out, it usually means one of a few things. Check if you have active subscriptions like iCloud or Apple Music. As long as the subscription is tied to that card, Apple won't let you remove it. You will need to cancel or switch the subscription to another card first. And if you're a part of a family sharing group, only the family organizer can manage payment methods. So, if you're not the organizer, you will need to ask them to remove it. Also, make sure you don't have any pending charges on your Apple ID. If there's even a small balance, Apple requires it to be paid before removing the card. And lastly, remember that Apple requires at least one active payment method on file. So, if you want to remove your current card, just tap on Add Payment Method, add another one, and then remove the old card. Once you take care of these things, go back to your payment settings, tap on the card, and you should now see the Remove option available. And that's all. Your payment method will be removed successfully. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.